Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we bring you 15 elegant cake designs with pearl accent, soft, delicate, and timeless. These cakes add a graceful touch to every special moment. The first one is classic pearl piping cake. Smooth white buttercream with pipe pearls around each tire. A timeless and clean look, perfect for weddings and anniversaries. The next is pearl heart topper cake, a soft pink with a heart-shaped topper made of edible pearls, romantic and sweet, great for engagements or bridal showers. The next is all over pearl braided cake, white fondant cake covered with edible pearls from top to bottom, from for a luxury texture and shine, bold and bridal. The next is minimal pearl cluster cake, a minimal cake with scattered clusters of pearls arranged like consultation, subtle but yet stunning. The next is gold and pearl accent cake, a tall ivory cake with gold leaf edges and pearl lines tracing each tile. Modern elegance meet royal detail. The next is blush rose and pearl cake, a soft blush base adorned with fresh roses and scattered pearl drops along the edges. Delicate and dreamy. The next is floating tire pearl illusion cake. Tires separated by pearl covered pillars, creating a floating illusion, magical and unique, great for luxury weddings. The next is pearl waterfall cake. Pearls cascade down the side of the cake like a waterfall. Elegant movement and soft shine add a flow of beauty. The next is pearl and lace texture cake. Intricate lace piping with pearl centers on every floral pattern, inspired by bridal gowns. Soft, vintage, and beautiful. The next is Umbor pearl border cake. From large pearls at the base of tiny ones near the top, a soft gradient of size and style add dimension and grace. The next is monogram pearls initial cake, a personalized cake with the couple initials formed entirely in tiny pearls. Classy touch. The next is drape design with pearls. White fondant drape like fabric with pearls accent pinned at the fold. The next is tall minimal pearl cake. Extra tall tied with a single line of pearl at each base, modern, clean and chic. The next is pearl crown topper cake. A regal cake with a crown-shaped pearl topper, perfect for princess parties or royal weddings. The next is lavender and pearl cake. A soft lavender cake with silver pearls dotted with like stars, unique and charming for a whimsical or pastel theme. From subtle shimmer to bold braidwork, pearl accent cakes add class, calm to every celebration, each one a soft statement of elegance. Which pearl accent cake was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. And if you like classy cake ideas, like this video and subscribe to Cakes Factory.